Is wrestling with payroll stealing precious hours from actually running your business? You're not alone. For many small business owners, the thought of tax forms, compliance regulations, and ensuring everyone gets paid accurately and on time can feel like a heavyweight championship bout they didn't sign up for. And that's where solutions like QuickBooks Payroll step into the ring, promising to be your cornerman, your reliable support system. But the big question, the one that's likely brought you here today, is this: in a crowded arena of payroll software options, is QuickBooks Payroll truly worth its weight in gold for your business? Does it deliver a knockout punch to payroll complexities, or is it just another contender with a flashy name but lacking real substance? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's acknowledge the landscape. You're probably already familiar with QuickBooks, the accounting software that's become a staple for countless small businesses. The appeal of QuickBooks Payroll is clear: seamless integration with your existing financial data. No more juggling spreadsheets or manually transferring information between systems. That alone sounds like a significant time saver, right? However, convenience isn't the only factor to consider. Your business has unique needs, a specific size, and a particular budget. What works wonders for a 5-person startup might fall short for a company with 50 employees and intricate pay structures. So to truly answer the "is it worth it" question, we need to put QuickBooks Payroll through a rigorous evaluation, examining its strengths, weaknesses, pricing, and how it stacks up against the competition. Let's start with the positives, the areas where QuickBooks Payroll often shines. The integration is undoubtedly a major draw. Imagine running payroll and having those expenses automatically recorded in your QuickBooks account. Tax liabilities are tracked in real time, and year-end reporting becomes significantly less painful. This synergy can lead to fewer errors, a clearer financial picture, and more time for you to focus on strategic growth rather than administrative tasks. QuickBooks Payroll also offers a user-friendly interface, particularly if you're already comfortable navigating the QuickBooks ecosystem. The learning curve is generally less steep compared to standalone payroll systems that might have their own unique quirks. Features like direct deposit, automated tax calculations, and the ability for employees to access their pay stubs and W-2s online add significant convenience for both you and your team. Furthermore, QuickBooks often provides different payroll tiers, catering to businesses with varying levels of complexity. This allows you to choose a plan that aligns with your current needs and potentially scale up as your business grows. They typically handle the complexities of payroll tax calculations, deductions, and filings, which can be a huge burden lifted off your shoulders, reducing the risk of costly penalties due to errors or missed deadlines. However, no software is perfect, and QuickBooks Payroll has its limitations. One common concern revolves around cost. While the base price might seem competitive, the cost can escalate as you add more employees or require more advanced features. It's crucial to carefully evaluate the different plans and understand the per-employee fees to determine the true cost for your specific situation. Another area to consider is the level of customer support. While QuickBooks has a large user base, support experiences can be inconsistent. Some users report difficulty getting timely and effective assistance when issues arise, which can be particularly stressful when dealing with payroll-related emergencies. For businesses with highly complex payroll needs, such as those with union employees, multiple pay rates, or intricate bonus structures, QuickBooks Payroll might lack the advanced customization options offered by some dedicated payroll providers. While it handles the basics efficiently, the flexibility to accommodate more nuanced scenarios might be limited. It's also worth noting that while the integration with QuickBooks is a major selling point, it also means you're somewhat locked into their ecosystem. If you ever decide to switch accounting software, migrating your payroll data could become a more involved process. So, how do you determine if QuickBooks Payroll is the right fit for your business? Here's a framework to help you decide. 1. Assess your business size and complexity. Small businesses with simple needs. If you have a small team with straightforward payroll requirements, salaried or hourly employees, standard deductions, QuickBooks Payroll's ease of use and integration can be a significant advantage. Growing businesses or those with complex needs. As your business expands or your payroll becomes more intricate, carefully evaluate if QuickBooks Payroll's higher-tier plans offer the necessary features and flexibility. You might find that a dedicated payroll provider offers more robust solutions for your specific needs. 2. Evaluate your budget. Cost-conscious businesses. Compare the total cost of QuickBooks Payroll, including monthly fees and per-employee charges, against other payroll options. Consider both the initial cost and potential long-term expenses as your team grows. Businesses prioritizing integration. If seamless integration with QuickBooks is a top priority and the cost aligns with your budget, the convenience might outweigh a potentially slightly lower price point from a standalone provider. 3. Consider your technical expertise and time commitment. Businesses seeking ease of use. If you value a user-friendly interface and are already familiar with QuickBooks, the learning curve will likely be minimal, saving you time and frustration. Businesses needing robust support. Research QuickBooks Payroll's customer support reputation and compare it to other providers, especially if you anticipate needing regular assistance. 4. Explore alternatives. Dedicated payroll providers. Don't make a decision without exploring standalone payroll services like Gusto, ADP, Paychex, or Square Payroll. These platforms often specialize in payroll and may offer more advanced features, better customer support, or more competitive pricing for your specific business size and complexity. Professional employer organizations, PEOs for businesses seeking comprehensive HR solutions, including payroll, benefits administration, and compliance support, a PEO might be a worthwhile consideration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.